Let's take a look at the program Classcraft, which I'm currently using in my class. We'll take a look at my demo class. This is a positive behavior intervention, and it's a cross between World of Warcraft, Prodigy, and the good old-fashioned paper doll. So students get a digital paper doll, and you can reward them action points, experience points, or gold pieces for doing various behaviors in the classroom. And you can decide what behaviors you want to see your students doing in class and then reward them for doing so. You can also, on the contrary, take away health points if they are doing behaviors you don't want to see in the classroom. Students can choose between being a warrior, a mage, or a healer, and they also get the choice of a power, and they get more and more powers as they level up. Powers allow them to do different things in the classroom. The program also has some different functions for teachers other than the positive behavior intervention, such as the Wheel of Destiny, which is a random student picker. Random events, which are silly events that are fun for students where they can either earn points, sometimes they lose points, but it's generally fun for students. There's also boss battles, which is a formative review, so you can input questions, ask your students, and as they get questions correct, the boss takes hits. On the contrary, if they get them wrong, they take hits. You can also make quests for your students, which is a learning path, and as they accomplish challenges, they are rewarded. And lastly, there's a messaging system where you can message parents or make class announcements. You can view the analytics of each student to see if they've been in the positive or if they've been in the negative. And you can also configure your class and personalize it to your liking, or you can stick with the default settings. This is a program that I really enjoy using with my students, and they seem to really enjoy it as well. And it gets better and better as students' characters get more personalized and unique. Thanks for watching.